Hey Lee Evers, I just thought I'd give you an update, see where we are on this house. Spin around. If you remember, this bedroom here had almost no subfloor in it. As you can see, it has subfloor in it now. It's a much better looking room. So we've got all this in place. The hallway, now you remember the original video, all this is fresh subfloor. This was all gone when we first got the house. Subfloor in here was gone. You've already seen this one replaced. In here, this has been replaced. Walk into the rest of the house. Section over here by the wall has been done. We've also added new fresh drywall. Over here we've replaced the subfloor here and put up new drywall to patch in those areas. Back here, that of course has been done. Again, fresh drywall. And here, that subfloor has been replaced. And again, fresh drywall. We come back in here. We've also added a back door, a new back door. Actually, there wasn't one before. There was just a piece of plywood up here. And the front door has been replaced as well. And there you have it. That's it for today's update.